Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is December 26, 2021. Let's talk about 2021 technology winners. Let's start with the large cap. There are so many companies in the large cap area. Let's restrict our attention today to stocks with the market cap 10 billion to 100 billion, and we'll cover other stocks a little bit later and go from there. So first we'll talk about Asana. Asana is one of my favorite companies. It's a new company, as you might be knowing. It started with the Facebook co-founder Dustin, and his whole idea is to reduce the busy work at your workplace. You might send an email, send a status report to your boss. Asana want to cut down on those type of busy work. Instead, make sure you focus on really big ideas. So I like the company. And next is Fortinet. Fortinet is the undisputed leader when it comes to cybersecurity, and cybersecurity is a emerging area, and this area is going to grow stronger, and Fortinet is the way to play cybersecurity. And next we got Lattice here. Lattice Semiconductor is a semiconductor play, and they want to really win on the edge artificial intelligence experience, and company is doing very well. And next we got Lam Research. Lam is again a semiconductor play. They're into semiconductor manufacturing side. Company has been doing great consistently for last couple of years. We look at last 10 years, it's been doing wonderful. And then we got Zebra. I love Zebra. Zebra is a great company. It's a large cap stock, and it's into connected devices and Internet of Things. It's a great company to buy on any pullback. And finally, we got your MPS, Monolithic Power. Monolithic Power is a great company here. They're again into connected devices and connected things. I think it's a great one to buy. So with that, what we'll do is we'll look at some of these names here and go from there. So let's look into some of these companies here. As you look through here, we got few of them here. Let's look at Asana first. Asana, as you might be knowing, it's a new company. As you look through here, we don't have more than 1 year history, just 1 year. There is nothing for 2 years and 5 years. Look, stock has been doing 157% in 1 year. That's a great performance. And off late, stock has been dropping off, as you can see here. Right now RSI is 43, tells you stock is really dropped off a lot here. I'm a buyer at these levels here. Gets a morning star, C in the financials, D in growth as of now. I think this is a great story. I like when founder is also a CEO at the top, and he's got experience with Facebook, being a co-founder there also. And next, let's look at Fortinet here. Fortinet is an undisputed cybersecurity leader here. Look, stock has been doing great. Look at 10-year history, 1,593. 5 years again, great performance here. 2 years is done great, and 1 year also nice performance here. And this company is really doing really great. As you look through here, its top line growth is nice here. 5 year, 1 year, all great top line growth here. I like this company. Right now, as you can see here, RSI is a little higher. If there is a pullback because of this interest rates, I would say you buy Fortinet here and go from there. Look, great financials here. B for financials, grade B for growth, and profitability is also B. That's a nice grading here. And then we got here On Semiconductor. Again, a semiconductor play here. They're into automotive and various other areas. Look nice, 795% performance in last 10 years. If a stock does very well in 1 year and does not perform well, then it's a one-trick pony. But in case of stocks like On Semiconductor and Fortinet, they've been doing consistently well for last 10 years. That's why it is a good company to buy here. And then you got a few more here. I will not be talking about all of them in detail. You can look at the list here. As you look through, I want to draw your attention to one or two here. Look here, we got Lam Research. Nice performance. It has done 2037% in last 10 years, and in last 5 years is 603% performance, and 1 year also it's done great. And look, profit grade here from Morningstar is A. That tells you it's a profitable company. and gets a big grade in financials as well as growth. And look at two more here, and we'll go from there. We got here both monolithic power here and SNX. Look at the performance here of this company, monolithic power. I like this one also. It's a great performer. Look, 3,568% in last 10 years. That's a huge performance here. And then you got Synopsys, one of my favorite here. If this company drops because of any interest rate issues, you can go buy this company here. Nice financial A grade here. Look, nice performance here. And right now RSI is 58, tells you can wait a little bit for a pullback here. Any companies with the lower RSI here, like the one here, Monolithic Power, and we got Zebra. You could buy those companies, even HubSpot for that matter. I love HubSpot. Also, you could buy them at this time right now into this pullback and add slowly. And also, as you see here, we got Bill.com. Again, a great story. You could buy that one too. So with that, let's look at a few more here and go from there. So, next we look at a few more companies. As you look through here, 1 year performance keeps dropping down, as you see here. But many of these companies have done nice in 10 years, as you can see here. So we look at some of these names here and go from there. Clearly, we will not cover them in super detail, and we'll talk about it a little bit and go from there. And first is Cadence. I love Cadence Design. It's a great company here. As you look through here, nice profitability score, nice financials, grade A here, nice performance in 10 years. Right now, RSI is a little high. If there is a pullback, go buy this stock here. And then you got, Dynatrace. Before you go to Dynatrace, I love Teradyne also here. Teradyne is a great stock here, consistent performer. And right now, RSI is a little high. Nice B grade for financials, growth as well as profitability. It's a great one to buy. Nice top line growth here and nice performance. And next one is Dynatrace. I like this one also here. It's a great cybersecurity play here. Look, it's a newer company, as you can see here. Just we got 1 year and 2 year, but nice top line performance and also lower debt, as you can see here. And we got a few more. I will not talk through those in detail, but you get the idea. These are all the winners in 2021, and because they got nice performance all along, they can keep winning for years to come. And as you look through here, keep watching. Few of these plays where we got Dynatrace here gets a grade here in the actually F5 here, gets a nice grade here. Let's keep watching the companies with a nice A grade here in the financials. Those can be good ones, as you can buy here. So we got here F5. As you look through here, RSI is 53, gets a A grade in the financials. That's a good one. And as you look through, we got a couple more of the A grade here. Nuance, as you might be knowing, it will be acquired by Microsoft. Probably, you don't need to buy at these levels. Instead, you could buy some Microsoft. And we got a few more with the A grade. As you look through here, we got Akamai, JKHY, as well as Workday. As you look through here, Workday at these levels with the low RSI, you could buy Workday right now into this little bit pullback here and go from there. And keep watching here. We got one more, Enphase Energy. All these solar stocks have come down off late, even with the pullback in solar. Look at Enphase Energy, has done 1,598. Right now, it's completely sold off with the lower RSI, just 36. I say it's a good buy right now. You could buy it and go from there. And as you scan through here, we've got a few more great companies. You could look at those in a little more detail and go from there. I love Trade Desk also here. Look, RSI just 51. It's a great company to buy. And we look at a few more companies and go from there. Let's go to the next slide here. All right, so we'll not go through this in super detail. I like CrowdStrike here. You might know CrowdStrike as a great security play here with the new viruses like Log4j. This company can really help big organizations. Look, stock has been doing nicely here. Nice performance in the last 2 years. It's a newer company. Nice top line, as you can see here. And we got a few more as we scan through here. There are some great stocks which are fallen off the cliff here. I like Snap. Snap is a great social media play. With the Apple changing the game with the privacy policies, all the social media stocks are trying to see what to do here. That's why all social media stocks, Snap here, and we got a few more as you see here with the, you know, with the Twitter. All those stocks have fallen down here. It's good to buy some of these stocks at these levels here and go from there. I like Snap as usual. And next we got few more solar edge as example. It's a solar play here. All the solar stocks got clobbered. It's a great buy with the RSI 40 here. I'm a buyer of solar edge here. And as you look through here, we got few more players with the low RSI here. Keep watching the RSI levels, 38 for Twitter. It's again a great buy at these levels here. I'm slowly accumulating Twitter. This can do well for years to come. And we got few more with the lower RSI. I keep watching here. Elastic is a good one here. Software play. It's into cloud. I love this company. It will do very well. And even Twilio here. Twilio is a great buy. Keep watching the RSI here. Just 46. I think it's a good one to buy at these levels. Everybody wants to have some nice messaging application, and Twilio can help companies like Uber, Lyft, even hotel chains like Hilton and so on and so forth. And I also like Coupa here. Coupa is a beaten down stock, as you can see here, low RSI just 33. It's a good one to play here, and go from there. And next we got ZG here, Zillow Group. Zillow Group is also a great one. The stock got clobbered, a month or two ago here with their house flipping business not making money. But off late, as you look through here, in 1 month, company is positive here. I think this can continue to do well. Keep watching the 10-year performance. It's done great. Nice growth potential here. So with that, you might wonder, hey, these companies are good, but tell me, if this company can do well in the low interest rate environment. So what we'll do is we'll look at one or two stocks here and see how they have done in the low interest rate environment and go from there. Let's switch back to Thinkorswim platform from TD Ameritrade here. I got Fortinet stock here. Let's look at Fortinet and see how they have done in the low interest rate environment. So with that, let's go here and look at Fortinet here. Let me go here. Keep watching here. We got Fortinet and low interest rate environment. Actually, high interest rate environment was back in 2018, as you can see here. Look, there is a drop here around 2018 time frame. This is when Fed became aggressive and J. Powell started increasing the interest rate. As you watch here, like all the entire stock market collapsed. Even Fortinet here, one of my favorite companies, this also collapsed along with the stock market. But look what happened as situation improved. Fortinet has gone higher, nicely. That's why I like buying these type of companies which can do very well. This company has done great in the last 10 years. If you see some pullback in these type of stocks here, go buy them. And let's look at one or two more here. One of my favorite stock is Zebra. Let's look at how Zebra has done and go from there. So if you look at Zebra here, ZG, so again, we are in the same type of situation here. Zebra Group, keep watching here. We got 2018, end of 2018. Stock has come down, just along with the stock market here, as you see here. But after everything recovered, it did nicely. The lesson is really now again similar situation here. We got some interest rates, higher interest rate here. Stocks like ZG here, they can come down a little bit, but they will always do well as we go forward. The trick is to buy in small quantities, so that way you can average down in these type of low interest rate environment. And this one is it's a good one to buy. ZG has fallen off here. Look here, after their house flipping business not making money, stock has fallen off. If this stock gets hit, go buy a little bit and go from there. And we look at probably one more here. and go from there. Let's go back to our list here. I also love stocks like Twilio here. Let's look at how Twilio has done last time. So if you look through Twilio here, we are back in 2019's time frame here. Look, we got 2018, 2019. This is when interest rates started going higher with the J Paul. This one has recovered very nicely. Look, there's a small drop here, but then it started going higher anyways. So that's why stocks like Twilio, you can take advantage of this low RSI environment. Stock has been coming down a lot of late. This is a good one to buy and take it from there. And we'll probably look at one more here. You might wonder, how about Octa? Octa is again a great play here. Let's look at Octa and see how they've done in the high interest rate environment. Look, same story here. 2018 was a year when there is a high interest rate type environment here. J. Powell ratcheted the interest rate, especially around the November timeframe, and had some harsh word around, going overboard with the interest rate hike here. Stock came down well, but afterwards, look, the move it has made, nice move here. That's why even up here, right now, Octa has pulled back nicely. I say, slowly buy some Octa, accumulate. This can do very well. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.